things I shouldn't know. I got secrets.
Good morning, Stephanie Cameraman, the Stock Whisperer here with today's Daily Dark Pool Whisper of the day. It is Wednesday, big FOMC decision day. All right, what's the SPY doing? Well, it's, are we outside? Yeah, we are. We are outside. 680.850 was our bullish above level. So what do we do now? Oh no, 689.50. That's going to be our next level. All right, bear below 685.75. I went all the way down here. If you want to scalp, go for it. But it just wasn't a big enough profit for the risk reward till we got about there. There's a big pocket right here. That's why I chose that level. Let's go to the IWM. Yeah, let me just move this over. All right, the Russell, bullish above 250, big price level, bear below 247. The Qs, by the way, we did get a new dark pool level on the Qs. Yeah, pretty heavy yesterday, 628.24. And then we had another level the day before, by the way, 616.96. So we are well above those levels right now. Bullish above 635.50, already triggered. So 636 is our next level. All right, bear below 631. Let's head on over to the future. We got the E-minis, $52.50, bullish above, bear below 69.30. We're good there, haven't triggered. The NASDAQ futures, bullish above 26,300. We're still good there. Bear below 26,225. Oil futures, bullish above 61.50. Are we going to have a wave 3, by the way? Yeah, is this a 1, 2, and then we're going to do that? 61.50, bear below, 60.40. Yeah. By accident, I put a 9 there. It's early in the morning. 60.40. Okay. Bear below. Let's go to gold. Trying to form a bottom here. Are we going to have another big rally? We'll see. Bullish above 40.50 for the retracement trade first to the 8 exponential moving average on the daily chart. And then we're going to be bear below 4,000. What the heck is Bitcoin doing? Let's go check that out. Yeah, it's pretty flat. You know, that 115,000 level, yeah, we really tested it. We pulled back. Are we going to have a wave 3? Right? This is your 1, 2. Are we going to do that next? Bullish above 114,250 for the day trade today. Bear below 112,200. Let's head on over to some individual stocks. Joby, yeah, trying to rally here. That 17 level stopped it yesterday. Actually, we had some news after the bell. Yeah, it went up to 17, pulled back, it attempted it again. So there should be less sellers there. Let's just check. Oh, let's check it out. Well, we actually got some guys at 09 and 16, and a little bit at the 17 level. Let's check out the ARCA book. Let's see, are they still there? Yeah, there is. Look at that, 9,200. So that it's going to be pretty big. Bullish above 17. We'll watch the book if it does get there. Bear below 15 for Joby. Let's check out CVS after earnings trade. Wow, it's been all over the place. Up, down. Bullish above 80.50. Well, that already happened. And I'm going to have to map out a whole new trade for you guys. Hold on. Let me just get my chart up here. Let's see. 85. All right, 80. Hold on one more second. Let me just check out a couple more pivots. Yeah, there's a huge pocket above 85. So we're going to be bullish above 85. There's a huge trade all the way up to 86.78. And then we'll be bearish below, because now that it moved up, we could probably use that 81 level. All right, if it goes below 81, bearish below. Yeah, sometimes I tried to wait on this one, but it's still moving all over the place. CNC after earnings, bullish above 37.25, bear below 35.75. Intel was our favorite whisper yesterday. Today, let's see if it has a repeat performance. Bullish above 42.50, bear below 40.50. Tesla looks wide open today. Bullish above 465. Let's see if we could break above that major price level. Bear below 461.75. Nvidia super hot yesterday. Bullish above 208.75 today. Bear below 205. KWEB. Keep your eye on this one. Bullish above 41.60. There's kind of a pivot in the way. Normally I would use that 50 level. But you'll see we have this little Camarilla, right? It's look at it. It's pretty much attached to it right now. 41.51. So that's how it went up a little bit higher. If we could break above 60, that target 41.87, I put my stop at 49 cents. All right, that's how I would trade that one today. Bear below 40.50. Then we got SoFi, which had earnings yesterday and has a lot of volume pre-market. Bullish above 31.50, bear below 29.50. It also had a massive 9 million dark pool print not too long ago. So, yep, it could keep going. We'll see. There you have it. Those are your whispers for Wednesday, October 29th. Until next time, come and join us. Yeah, check out our interactive trading room. You can trade with me all day. We post our charts, trades. We have a lot of fun. Go to thedarkpools.com. Happy trading, everybody.
No thinking, that's my secret. Gonna keep it my secret. My secret.